You are losing your sales tracking? No problem. I have a solution for you. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up the Wixpa Google Analytics 4 app on your Shopify store and verify that your tracking is working correctly. Before setup, make sure you have active Google Analytics 4 account. And inside GA4, make sure to create our GA4 property and locate Measurement ID, as we'll need this later. Let's get started. First, install the Wixpa Google Analytics 4 app from the Shopify App Store and open it from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once the app is installed, you'll need your Google Analytics Measurement ID and API secret key. To get these, open your Google Analytics account and click on Admin. Next, select Data Streams and open your GA4 Web Data Stream. At the top of the page, you'll find your Measurement ID. Copy the Measurement ID and paste it into the corresponding field in the Wixpa app. Now scroll down to the Measurement Protocol API Secret section. If you don't already have an API secret, click Create to generate a new one. Copy the API secret key and paste it into the Wixpa app. Once both fields are added, save your settings. Next, we'll set up the custom pixel. Inside the Wixpa app, click Copy Code to copy the pixel code. Now return to Shopify and navigate to Customer Events. Create a new custom pixel or open an existing one if you've already created it. Remove any existing code and paste the Wixpa pixel code. Review the permission settings and select the option that matches your store's privacy requirements. Save the pixel. After saving, make sure the pixel status is active and connected. Now let's verify the setup. Open your online store and visit any product page. Then, return to Google Analytics. Navigate to Reports and open Real-Time Overview. You should now see your page view activity appearing in the report. Next, perform an Add to Cart action on your store. Return to the real-time report and wait a few moments for the event to be processed. Once the report refreshes, you'll see the Add to Cart event appear in Google Analytics. This confirms that the integration is working correctly and your Shopify store is successfully sending data to GA4. You can repeat the same process to verify additional events such as begin checkout and purchase. And that's it. Your Wixpa Google Analytics 4 setup is now complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Shopify app tutorials. Thanks for watching.